at 137 Cecil Street. I have an event to attend to. I'm going to be going to the Lush event for their Sleepy Mood range of products that are going to be launched today. And they are holding the launch at Freedom Yoga, which is behind me, 137 Cecil Street. So let's go!
Exciting new innovations that the product inventors have been working on, so we're really excited to bring this to Singapore. Then we'll be moving on to a tailored Dreamscape Yoga session today. So that is actually tailor-made for us from Freedom Yoga, so we're really happy about that, really excited about that. And then we're hoping to have some time at the end. So if you have any questions, we have a photo booth here as well for you guys to take some pictures. We also have some products in the showers, so you can feel free to use the showers. There's towels available, and there's some products for you guys to use as well. Yeah, so we're hoping to have some time at the end for that. And then just some quick introduction. So I'm Ekta. I take care of our PR and marketing. This is Stephanie. She's from Freedom Yoga. We'll be working with her as well as Marilyn. So they'll be our instructors for today. The theme for today is actually based around our Sleepy range of products. So has any of you guys tried any of the Sleepy products before? So this is actually some of our Sleepy products. So the Sleepy body lotion has been quite popular recently. We have recently launched our Sleepy shower gel. And also for the new Lushmoods range, we have our Sleepy shower bomb, which will be demoing later. So that's like the theme for today. And you know, if you've tried Lush products, you know that we like to use really high quality essential oils, always ethically sourced essential oils in our products. So in Sleepy, some of the main essential oils inside are things like lavender, ylang ylang, so very like calming and relaxing. So that's the theme for today, and hopefully, you know, we can all kind of be really relaxed, which I think all of us usually need. Yes, so I'll pass on to Stephanie to introduce a bit about our session today.
Yes, so welcome to Freedom Yoga, and we are a place whereby we encourage each and every one of us to really be comfortable in our own skin, and mindfulness over here is cultivated through the deep, quiet practice of yoga, whereby we can deepen the relationship with our bodies and with ourselves. So in today's session, Dreamscape Yoga, which is a healing blend created just for Lushmoods, it's a blend of yin yoga, whereby we are stretching passively in the poses, as well as restorative yoga, where we get to enjoy, experience the art of conscious relaxation.
Practice, it will be very restful, so don't worry if you say, oh, I'm not flexible, I cannot stretch, it's fine. That's not the point in our class. We want you to rest. So get sleepy with Lush, alright? So Yin is a slightly more active style of yoga where you will be put into stretches or you'll feel some sensation to just release tension. So Stephanie will guide you through that. Then we'll be eased into the more restorative, which is more restful. If you drift off to sleep, fantastic. Alright? Just try to release tension as much as you can. And maybe when you walk out here, you'll be refreshed and ready to face the weekend. Alright?
So it's also energy healing, and it's just you might feel a warm sensation, and it's really just to let energy flow to any some areas to release any blockages. Alright, we can get started. Okay. On your blocks, let's find a comfortable seat, and with your phones, just turn it into every mode. Thank you. And as you find yourself seated on top of the blocks, really allow your hip flexors to relax. With your hands, peel out the flesh underneath your sit bones, pull your sit bones apart, and ground them down onto the front part of the block. Hands rested harmlessly. Begin to breathe your breath. Welcome your breath, like your oldest friend. Just being with your inhales, your exhales. Being with that moment of pause between each breath. And just notice how in every day we take in about 22,400 breaths. So time on the mat is time when we can really get acquainted, get nourished by our breaths.
Now we just got done with the yoga session. It was really nice and soothing and comforting, and each of us who went for the yoga session were gifted this box. They have all of the sleeping mode goodies, and it was so relaxing, and I'm in love with the scent, especially the cloudy one which is called the Sleepy, and it's actually a soap, and I'm pretty excited to show it to my little girl because I'm sure she will like it. Sorry, there's a tunnel behind. So